Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw a line on picture in Word. So before drawing a line, ensure your image is in the document and properly formatted. So now click on the picture and click on the layout option next to the image and select the in front of text. This makes moving the image and the lines you draw much easier. Now you can move it easily like this one. And now navigate to the insert tab and click on the shapes. For a simple underline or a pointer you need to select this line, and for perfect arrow for calling out specific detail you need to click on this line. And for the freehand drawing, if you want to move more manual look, select this scribble line. So I'll be selecting this the straight line. Now your cursor will change to the crosshair. Click and hold the starting point over your image and drag to end point and release. For this we need to hold down the shift key like this one. Holding the shift key helps you to perfectly draw a straight line. So once the line is drawn, the shape format tab will appear automatically in the ribbon. You need to click on that and go to the shape outline. Here you can change high contrast colors like the red one. Moreover, you can also increase the thickness. For this you need to click on this outline and click on the weight and select the weight, for example to 1/4 pt. So if you want to turn a solid line into a dotted or dashed line, for this you need to click on this and again go to the dashes and select the dashes which you want it like this one. So I'll be selecting straight line. And now you can move this line by dragging up and down and move anywhere on the picture like this one. You can also rotate this line by this dragging to the right side like this one. Give a shape, rotate it anywhere on the picture. And when you move your picture you can see that the line is not moving. So how you can group line and picture. So now click on the picture and press the control key and select the line as well, and then right click and go to the group and click group, and now you can move picture and line all together. Now the line and the picture act as a single object, and you can resize it like this one. Here it is. So this way you can draw a line on picture in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.